back to Officially Coco. Today I'm doing a review on the Fenty Beauty by Rihanna. This is the PMS, and then I got Griselda. I think it's called Griselda, but I'll put it, if I'm pronouncing it wrong, I will definitely put it in the description. That way y'all know which product I'm talking about. So I am gonna try this on. These are blush matte lipstick, and I have not tried these on. I did like on Sephora, you know how you do the match on your face when you upload a picture? That's what I did. So I wanted to wait, that way I can try this on with you all. But this is how it look. And this is PMS. And we're about to go in. It don't have a smell to it, but this is it, y'all. Most lipstick have like a nice smell, but I'm front and center so y'all can see. Okay. And this is PMS. Yeah, PMS. I don't know how I feel about it because most of the lipsticks I wear is that liquidation, and this don't have, it's more like a lipstick, of course, but I don't think this is my favorite, but it was a good buy. So I only paid $12.50, so I'm not really gonna cry about that. So I'm gonna try on the next one. All right, y'all, so I'm gonna try on the next one. I think it's called Griselda. So I'm gonna try that one on. Sorry if y'all hear the background because I'm upstairs in my room and the voice travels in here. So this is it. Of course, y'all see the tube. So I'm gonna do front and center again. They look similar, the same when you look at them. So here we go. I like this one, y'all. I like this one. I like this one a lot. And I'm gonna put both of the samples on my hand. Not the sample, I'm gonna put a sample on my hand so you all can see both of them. And then I'm gonna match them up together so y'all can see. So this is PMS and this Griselda, I think. So if y'all can see it. So if you look at it, they not too far from not, you know, looking the same. This one is a little darker and lighter. So yeah, I wanted to show y'all that real quick. This was not gonna be a long video. I just wanted to give y'all try this on for y'all. Instead of just doing it off camera, I wanted to do the open box and let y'all see how this product is. But again, this is a color. This is for, you know, darker complexion. So this is it. All right, so I want to thank y'all for tuning into Coco, and don't forget to put your notification bell on. That way you'll know I upload a video. And again, thank you again and again for watching Officially Coco. Bye, y'all.